Hi YouTube, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's being great out there. If you are new to my channel, you are mostly welcome, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. I see we are growing shortly but slowly. We're getting there. We're getting there, and I'm so happy to welcome you guys to this family. And if this is the first time you see me, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to this channel? I know you've watched a couple of my videos, so it's just best bet for you to just subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified every time your girl drop a new video. As you guys can see inside today's Lovely Wholesale haul for you guys, they did go ahead and send me 4 items for me to try on for you guys. I will be trying it on, and I'll also be styling it for you guys because it's just 4 outfits. That's not enough for a haul, in my opinion. So I will go ahead and style it for you guys. Lovely Wholesale is one of the company that is growing shortly. They are one of the biggest company out there that sells outfit for us that are on the go kind of situation. They have different outfits for you guys. They have rompers, they have jumpers, they have 2-piece set, they have dresses, they have shoes, they have purses. So if you want to see anything about Lovely Wholesale, their direct link is in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. And every outfit that I try on also for you guys, they are also direct link to them is also in my description box. And guess what, guys? I have a coupon code for you guys, Mrstitotv. It'll be right here on the screen for you guys, and also in the description box. So you guys go ahead and use that coupon code. It will save you some money. Y'all know we like to save some money. So yeah, go ahead and use my coupon code Mrstitotv, and it will also save you some money. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to guys, this is the first thing they sent to me. This is a 2-piece set. It does have a slit on the side, on both sides. Y'all know I love things like this. Very casual. Just put it on. Use it to chill at home or go run some quick errands with it. So it does have, like I said, it is open like this. The only thing about this outfit is I got it in a medium. An extra small would have fit me because y'all see, it is hella stretchy. So if you want to get this, I'll recommend you go down a size. This is a good material. It is very sturdy, very stretchy. It does come with a nice little V right over there. Really cute, really nice. Short sleeve, really nice for this weather. Is vibe what this one look like. I am gonna style it up a little bit for you guys in 2 different ways, and then you guys will see. Okay guys, this is the first way I think this outfit look cute. I just put on a nice little slippers right here, white, and I also carry my Coach white bag, which is really cute, really simple. I put on the glasses. This is just to run a quick errand, and then when you're done, you want to go to like a bar or something like that and just go chill. Or if you go into like a flea market or something like going thrifting, I think this is a really nice outfit. I don't thrift, but I think this would be a cute outfit for you to wear thrifting. Like I said, this outfit is very stretchy, so you guys gotta size down. And if you don't, it also shows some little dumps and lumps of your body. If you have cellulite and all that good stuff, it is going to show it. But I think it's really okay guys, this is another way where I will wear this outfit. If you're one that like to dress it up and all that good stuff, put on a nice beautiful heel. For me, I put on this orange heel right here from Eagles, and then I paired this my nice look Lagerfeld purse with it. It has a bunch of colors. It has orange, it has pink, it has purple, it has green on it. So this is a nice beautiful way I'll wear this if I ever try to style it up. Birthday dinner, you could wear it out with your girls to go brunching and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is cute and nice. Alright guys, this is a nice outfit they sent to me. It's a nice beautiful red romper right here. It has a zipper that goes about that much down, and it goes all the way up. If you want to do it like this, your choice, but for me, It's gonna come down a little bit because the little cleavage God gave me, I would like to show it a little bit. So yeah, it got literally to my meat thigh over there. Really cute, really nice. With this, for me, just like the last one, I would not wear heels with it. With a nice crossbody bag with a Snickers, and I am so ready to go. Okay, y'all. This is how sporty I'm going to style this outfit. You could carry a crossbody bag with this and all that good stuff, but I went ahead and carried this my Michael Kors bag, and I think it looks really cute. You could take your kids to the park with this one, run some errands with this also. Put your bag right on you, and you are good to go. As you guys can see, I did put on back my J's, and yeah, so cute, so sporty, so nice. The zipper doesn't stay up. One thing I've noticed, it won't stay up, except if I put it all the way up here, and I'm not gonna wear it like this. I feel claustrophobic like that. I feel kind of choking, like it's choking me. It's not choking, but I just feel like it's choking me with this one. And if I try to put it down there, it kept going down on it. You guys know, I'll give you guys my honest opinion on any outfit that I use my money to buy, or they said it to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So yeah, this is what the back is looking like. It is very form-fitting. I also got this in a medium. I say stay your size on this one. It does have stretch, but not a whole lot of stretch, so I say stay your size. I always have problem with gaping when I wear jumpsuits and romper because I have a smaller waist and a big bum. So this one is okay. It still have the gaping and all that. It still have that gaping and stuff, but it stays down for the most part. It's down. I just gotta pull it up a little bit more, and yeah, it stays down for people with the small waist, big hips and stuff like that. So yeah, okay y'all, for a more well-dressed, you know, looking cute, looking all good with this outfit, I went ahead and I did monochrome kind of outfit. I have the red outfit. I wear this red shoe right over here, a clay on top, and then it has a red thingy at the bottom. And I also carry my Teddy Blake's black purse with it. I think it's cute. Honestly, looking at myself in the mirror, I think this is a really cute outfit. Honestly, I think I'll wear this to brunch. Honestly, it's cute, it's nice, it's pretty, really cute. Or happy hour. I'll probably wear this happy hour, you know, happy hour, and you should be able to make it work and looking cute and looking really, really nice. And I will also add stacked necklace on. I don't feel like bothering myself putting on necklace at this point, so that's why I didn't put it on. But if I have to wear it out, honestly, I'll wear a stacked necklace with it so it can give it a little bit more classy, a little bit more cuteness, and keep my jewelry just as simple as it is. Really nice, really cute though. Oh, I kind of like it. I was thinking I wasn't gonna like it all dressed up, but not bad, not bad at all. And if you want to be a little bit more covered up, you could put a jean jacket on top of this, and you should be able to make it work. I like it. I think this is kind of outfit you wear in Miami. I ain't never been to Miami, but if you want to invite me to Miami, I'll come, okay? This kind of outfit that will work well in Miami, so I'm just thinking. If it is, fine. If it doesn't, go ahead in the comment section and let me know. Will it work in Miami or anywhere else? I'm not even going to style this one up because it is not my favorite. I don't like it at all. In the picture, as you guys can see right over here, it looks like it's double lined and it's more tapered and more snug to the body. And though the length is okay, the length is not bad. I just don't, it ain't for me. If you have a perky titties, like your breast is, y'all see, I didn't even take out my bra. If you have perkier, you know, your breast is still standing and all that good stuff, you ain't got 3 kids that you breastfed and your titties looking up downward, this outfit will be perfect for you. And I don't even mind wearing it like this with my bra showing, because I have a jumpsuit also from other company that I have that I can't wear without a bra, and I love that jumpsuit. So yeah, this is should I style this? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know about this one at all. It's cute. It does have stretch. I said stay your... Ouch. I said stay your size. It's pretty big on me, as you guys can see. But I love it, like, you know, snug me in. You feel me? Like, much tighter. This is what the back is looking like. Like I said, it's not bad, but it is not for me. Okay, y'all. I went ahead and I wear this my same white sandal that I have. I wore that and I carry my same black purse. This purse is from TJ Maxx. I will link it in the description box. Yeah, like I said, the outfit is not for me. The dress, it's not bad, but I know me. I would not gravitate towards this dress in my closet. I would not. I mean, okay, guys, this is it with heels. You guys can see that it ain't for me. It is not for me, but I'm gonna do anything for you guys, you know, to make y'all happy, to give y'all the content you guys expect of me. But this is it right here. I did like a monochrome kind of situation. This purse is from Shein. To see, nah, it ain't for me. Okay, not for me, but it's all right for whoever likes it out there. It's cute, but not for me, baby. This is what the back is looking like. Okay, guys, this is the last outfit they sent to me. It's a nice, beautiful flowery dress. It has a bunch of leaves, yellow leaves over it, a white underlay, and it is so gorgeous. Nice kitty dress. This is me all the way. So girly, so cute, and I could twirl. I could twirl. Y'all don't pay me no mind. I could twirl. But the only thing is, I got this in a large, right? And you guys see, wait, let me show you something. You guys see how loose it is right here on my waist, but on my chest area, it's a little bit snug. Okay, that's what this look like. So cute. It does give you a little bit of waist. It's a little bit big on my waist, okay, because it kind of fit really weird and snug on top right here, but then on my waist is pretty loose, but the dress is gorgeous nevertheless. Really cute. Gave you a nice cleavage. This one right here, you could also dress it down and also dress it up. Long sleeve, really cute, flirty kind of, you know, bottom area. I love this. It is short now. It is literally short now, okay? This is my butt, and that's how long the dress is from my butt, okay? But I feel like if you have a smaller chest and a smaller butt, you'll be fine. So, okay, y'all. This is this one right here. I went ahead and paired with this like a tan kind of bag right here, and this brown slippers right here. Some chill, some cool also. I'm a mother, so y'all will hear me say something about kids a lot. This, I could also wear this to take my kids like a birthday party or some chill, like a brunch dates with them and stuff like that. You know, some cute, really nice, flirty. So girly. This is JoJo. This is me all the way. Give me a nice, beautiful dress, a nice, beautiful skater dress like this. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Go down the lake. Booga. Let me see you. Let me see you there. Booga. Booga. I love this. Compared to the last one that I put on, there's no comparison, man. This is cute. Goes up a size, I'll say, on this outfit because it's a large, okay? This is a large, and this is how it fit me. Really cute, really nice. It has a tiny little bit of stretch to it, you feel me? Yeah, a tiny bit of stretch to it. The sleeve doesn't have buttons on it, but baby, I'm loving this. So cute. Oh my, I love this. I love this dress. This is it right here, all dressed up. This is exactly how I wear this outfit. I'll wear it to brunch, I'll wear it to a birthday dinner, I'll wear it out to a nice, beautiful area if you invite me to. This outfit is cute. It's one of the best outfits I think I got in this whole haul. Really cute, really nice. I enjoyed it. I paired with this, my nice, beautiful yellow heel right here. So the yellow flower on the outfit can pop a little bit. And I went with a subtle, nice black purse, which I think it went and it complemented this outfit really, really well and really, really nice. I enjoyed this haul, except for that one dress. Everything in this haul went well, went really, really cute. I enjoyed it. I ain't even gonna lie and I ain't even gonna cap, okay? So cute. One thing I would do is also add like a nice stack, like maybe 2 necklaces, 1 little choker and 1 just dangling in the middle right over here. Point blank period. It's gonna be looking really cute. Okay, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. I do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to check my description box, and thank you to Lovely Wholesale for sending us this outfit to try on for you guys. My coupon code is Mrstitotv right here on the screen and also in the description box. Every link to the outfit that I tried on today will also be in my description box. Don't forget to go ahead and check the description box. I'll be shopping to every single one of you guys, and tag me on Instagram if you bought anything and if you use my coupon code. Thank you all so much, and until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!